Hi, welcome back to Model Marvels again. And here is our 3D printed Darth Vader figure. He's approximately 18 inches tall, or 46 centimeters. And it's taken us ages because the cloak is printed in 3 sections, so it's all had to be joined and filled and sprayed. So it's taken a while to get here, but here it is. We have obviously not just gone ahead and printed the basic model. We've modified it slightly, as you'll see coming up in just a moment, and the lightsaber now lights up. Hope you enjoy. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon with some crawler builds. Bye.